Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: your valid ID, an active mobile number, and a linked bank account or e-wallet. Once you have those, open the Home Credit Qwarta app or web portal and create your account using your phone number. Make sure to photograph your ID and prepare income documents such as 1 to 3 months of bank statements or your latest payslip. This speeds verification. Once done, verify your phone with the OTP so you can proceed to the actual loan selection. You now fill the detailed form. Type your full name, current address, employer details, and exact monthly income. Accuracy matters because it affects approval. Next, select the loan product, choose the amount and tenure, and watch the displayed monthly repayment and APRA. Review fees and penalties before proceeding. Then upload clear photos of your ID, payslip, and bank statements, and grant camera or file access when prompted. Once uploaded, double-check every field and document to avoid delays. You finish by reviewing the application summary carefully, accept the terms, and hit Submit. Complete any required e-signature or biometric step. Once submitted, wait for the credit decision. Some approvals are instant while others take up to 48 hours. You will receive SMS or in-app notification. If approved, choose disbursement method and confirm. Funds arrive by bank transfer or cash out according to the stated timeline. If your application is rejected, first verify document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.